little video of taste testing this iTea drink. So I was surprised that my mom even gave me this on a Friday, and Fridays are always fun for me. And Thursday after college, it's free fun for me too. So this is the boba pudding ice milk, and I got 50% sugar and ice. And this is what it looks like. I already drank some of it, you can see. And bubbles on the bottom. And now, let's get on with the taste testing. It tastes super good. And I would rate this 10 out of 10. And this also tastes like exactly like those rice pudding cups that you get from Safeway. Yeah. So happy spring and summer is coming. So I'm going to post this video in May. Don't know which day in May, but on a Saturday. And then after my semester ends on May 25th, yeah, I'm gonna have 2 videos on Thursday and Saturday, and continuing all the way to August. Yeah. And after July 1, I'll be done with college until I go to my master's program. So I'm getting my bachelor's on July 1. So yeah. So I want to get this again. I think this drink has become my top favorites now. So this is about the video. Give a like, subscribe, comment down below what other taste testing videos I should do. Thank you. I love you, Bubbles. Bubbles out.